In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download ChatGPT on your Android device. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to download ChatGPT on Android, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Downloading ChatGPT on your Android device is a simple process. Here's how you can do it. Ensure that you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data on your device. Then, open your Play Store. In the search bar of the Play Store, type ChatGPT and perform your search. Once you find the application labeled ChatGPT, from OpenAI, tap on the Install button to download the application. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI in November 2022, utilizes machine learning algorithms to generate responses that mimic human-like language, making interactions surprisingly realistic. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch the app and start using ChatGPT on your Android device. That's all there is to it. Following these steps, you can easily download and access ChatGPT on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more tutorials like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future uploads. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.